So guys, wanted to keep you updated on the platform. From the last time I set it up, I was able to put a chair, converting it to flight sim from the racing to this. I got a touch screen. That is a touch screen controller, 50-inch TV, just to test it out. And then my old computer and controllers. As you can see, I made everything from scratch. 3D CNC, actually like a 3080 cheap version. I was able to modify some stuff. I used a Arduino 250, I believe it was. Program it. It's an old monitor, modified joke. I made some cuts, splice it right here to make it longer. Made my own key switch. This all stuff is online. You can find it. I'll probably post some links later. I modified so we can get full motion. There's a ball bearing. That was a pretty thing to find, and I had to strengthening since I made it longer. The steering wheel, so when you go up and down, it doesn't like bend. So I added a piece of aluminum. This is all PVC, 1 inch, stainless steel, 1 inch, and extend it to there. So far that my chair goes up and down. Is a boat chair, so I find out that it's a pain in the butt, so I'm gonna have to make it so it doesn't swivel, because when you do your rolls or pitch, kind of tilts you to the result side. And this is the platform I'm using. Panels, made a case for it. There you go. Right now it's connected. Uses an M1, modified it. Pretty sure you guys saw it in the video. I did found it a little bit jerky. I have the speed one, I believe it's 1.5. I probably have to change that to 1.0. Anyways, I want to keep you guys updated to see how it works. Let me see if I can unpause it, and you guys can see some of the motion that it can create. There you go. So we press down. A little jerky because I want savage mode on it. Let me see. Neutral. Flip it a little bit so you guys can see. The whole base turns with it. Let's see if I can get a better video of it. It's turning crazy. This is me level. Yes, my frame and video cards are this low, as you can see up there. I think it's like 1 frame per second. And that's an old computer. I just wanted to check it out, the platform, to make sure. And I'm probably saving my lunch money to get a better computer. This one I think is like a FX 3800. Really old. And all my gauges, of course, are working. I'm using the SRS tuning. Alright, let me see if I can get a better video, then I'll post it. Alright, video 1. Yeah, do what you're flying. A Cessna 172, right? Alright, turn so we can see you recording. Go. Give it a real turn, dude.
That's a real turn.
Oh, go down. You're pretty high. There you go. You found an airport yet?
No. Actually, yeah, I think so. Yeah, I did.
You found it?
Yeah.
Alright.